Clarify, soothe, and reset your scalp with our new Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Special Detox collection. So let's jump right in with our new Tea Tree Special Detox Foaming Salt Scrub, which is my new favorite. Instantly buffs away impurities with its rich foaming scrub and its antioxidant rich blend of volcanic ash, Himalayan pink salt, and French green clay exfoliates the scalp to eliminate product buildup. And ooh, I need that. Get rid of those dead skin flakes and excess oils, which leaves my scalp feeling smooth, refreshed, and renewed. And I want to add that this was clinically proven to exfoliate and remove dry skin and buildup after one use, based on a clinical study conducted with 29 participants, and that's good to know. I really like the texture of this salt scrub because it's really gentle on the scalp, and the cooling sensation that I get from this is everything. Now moving on to our Tea Tree Special Detox Kombucha Rinse, which is clinically proven to remove 74% of scalp buildup after one use, based on a clinical study conducted with 29 participants. This clarifying rinse exfoliates and removes buildup with a probiotic-rich blend of kombucha and apple cider vinegar, which leaves the hair feeling polished and my scalp feeling smooth and soothed, clean and refreshed with a invigorating fresh scent. And let me tell you, all these products smell absolutely amazing. After clarifying, I personally like to follow up with a moisturizing shampoo, and we are going to use our Tea Tree Lavender Mint Moisturizing Shampoo. This shampoo is ideal for coarse and dry hair, and my hair definitely could use a little moisture. So it cleanses, soothes, and replenishes dry hair with a calming fragrance, and you have to smell this. Its moisture-rich conditioner and amino acids help improve strength, shine, and manageability. Now we're going to go in with our best seller, which is the Tea Tree Lavender Mint Moisturizing Conditioner. And this also is ideal for coarse and dry hair. It moisturizes, detangles, softens, and quenches dry hair with a calming fragrance. When I tell you it smells good, it smells amazing, like a spa-like experience in the shower. It has ultra-rich conditioners that help detangle and hydrate strands while helping to improve manageability. I personally like applying this conditioner to my hair in sections and then cover with a plastic cap, sit underneath a dryer for about 15 minutes to get some extra deep conditioning on, and rinse in the shower, and my scalp and hair feel amazing. So if you're interested in trying out these products, be sure to check out our website, paulmitchell.com, to get your hands on the new Tea Tree Special Detox collection.